Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a map using latitude and longitude in Tableau. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Tableau, I need you to click the Try Now option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a map in Tableau using latitude and longitude is a straightforward process that is beneficial, especially for visualizing and analyzing geographic data. Now, I'm going to create a new sheet here so that we can create our map using those factors. I'm gonna choose this as this one. I'm gonna change it for 20. Bold, italize, and gonna color it red. And then the next thing is, now I need you to go to the search bar here and type in latitude. Right, click on that, and then the next is longitude. All right, then drag and drop it to the columns. You see that one? Now the next thing is, now as you can see, I don't have any exactly much of a detail here. What I wanted to do is put in a region and probably like a region here and drag it to the detail. You see, I already have like points where I can have the region west, central, and south. All right, basically that's how you create a map in Tableau using latitude and longitude. Now, of course, you can choose a specific country region here. You can choose the geographic role into country or region, district US, area code by airport, and of course zip code and postcode. You can also choose the image role if you wanted to have like a URL. There's a lot that you can work with. For example, you can split right here, and you can basically drag this one. So press Control, drag this, go into color to make it more interactive. You see that one? So now our map has like a color. I'm gonna do the same thing here and then drag it to the color. All right, now since we have an interactive map here, it allows us to visualize the spatial distribution of data points, helping to understand how data varies across different geographic areas, right? Maps provide insights based on the critical data for the geographic component. Now, as you can see, when you zoom in, maps can reveal clusters of activity or outliers in geographic data, helping to identify areas or low performance. Because map presents data in a visually intuitive way, making it easier for people to understand geographic relationships and distributions. I find it very helpful here. You see, you also have an option here when you hover down here. You see, so if it's not shown, just click on Show Me, and you have more options here to try. Right here, see that one? Now it facilitates analysis distances between locations and proximity to key areas, which I think is very important for logistics, real estate, and of course site selection. I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.